Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, A Disney Bride's Diary. So today's video, I'm going to be giving you a tour of Pinecrest Gardens, which is located in Miami, Florida, and it is probably one of the best and cheapest, most fun things to do with your child. Now, what's great about Pinecrest Gardens is parking is free. As soon as you enter here, you see what is in front of the entrance. They have a beautiful koi pond, which I absolutely love. Now, general admission is $5 and children 2 years and under are free. I love as soon as you walk up, you are already getting the beautiful wildlife and nature feels. Now, Pinecrest Gardens is open daily, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., which is great. And the splash play area is open 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. so keep that in mind. Now in Pinecrest Gardens, they do have a splash pad area. They have plenty of areas to walk through. They have a huge playground and a petting zoo as well. They also have a cafe, which is great. Now that cafe is only open during certain times, so make sure to go online to Pinecrest Gardens where you can get more information as far as the hours of operation. So as you can see, we just passed the ticketing booth area, and then once you get that general admission, you do have admission to the splash areas, the playground, and every area inside of Pinecrest Gardens. So guys, you cannot beat it for $5 per person. I love that throughout Pinecrest Gardens, they have signage everywhere. So there's no way that you could possibly get lost. And as you can see here, they have some areas that they're still building. I'm not sure what that's going to be. It looks like some type of aviary type cage. But moving along, just showing you the beautiful nature that you see along the way. Now, I also love how they have restrooms all over. There's about 3 restrooms that we had passed. There's one as soon as you exit the Pinecrest Gardens. There's one in the playground area. And then as you're walking this path heading towards the splash pad or playground, there is a bathroom stop along the way. And just making our way around here. And on the other side, you can't really tell in this part of the video, but there is water all around with fish. So you can make stops along the way, just taking in those areas and seeing all the beauty it has to offer. In a lot of these ponds, there's either fish or turtles, which is nice. Now, another thing is you see the rock formations that make up the pathways. You can't really tell from the video, but they're pretty high. So you don't have to worry about your child taking a dive off into the water, just showing you some turtles there. So you can really just let your child walk, of course, under adult supervision because children always find a way. But that's not something you have to worry about while walking these paths, which is nice. And just showing you some more of the nature areas. They have bamboo trees. And most of the times that we have gone, it is not packed at all. Unless you're going on a special event like Easter or when they have their, I haven't been lately to their special events, but you can see right now that this was around 2 p.m. and it was not packed at all, which was nice. Now, another thing was it did start raining while we were there. It was only raining for 20 minutes. They do close the splash pad, obviously, if there's lightning, but as soon as that lightning siren goes off, they wait 30 minutes to see if it stops, and then they turn the splash pad on. So in the video up ahead, you will see the splash pad is closed. You will see it raining, but towards the end of the video, it did open while we were there, so we had the chance to play in that splash pad area, and then I will also show you that footage, so stay tuned, or you can forward ahead if you want to see what the splash pad looks like. Now, along the way, you can see here they do have little benches. And over here, they do have this historic building, which used to be the main entrance of Pinecrest Gardens. And you can pause here if you want to see a little bit of the history of that historic entrance to the building. And coming around here, showing you the little plaque on front of the building. It's just super cool to have that kind of history around as you're walking. Now, keep in mind there are many parks around Miami that have splash pads, such as South Point Park, Grapeland Water Park, and other parks. You just Google splash pad or water parks in Miami. But they're not going to have these nature walks or a petting zoo necessarily, as well as the large, well, they might have a large playground, but you have to keep in mind that you are getting the beautiful nature walks along the way and different art installations, which is nice. So making our way around here, you can see some of that signage. You can go to Turtle Island, the sinkhole, the splash pad. It shows you where the restrooms are, so you cannot get lost. And just showing you one of those running waterfalls. How beautiful is that, you guys? And zooming it out so you can kind of see how it looks. And so at this point, we're making our way to the splash pad area, and we come across some more art installations. So I'm gonna go ahead and let music play for the rest of the video. You're gonna go ahead and see that splash pad during the rain. Then we make our way to the playground, which is so much fun. My son had a blast. They have slides, large snakes that they can go under. They have swings. And then we make our way to the splash pad once it is open, and then we end with the petting zoo. So stay tuned for the rest of the video, you guys. Here's that rain there. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like these type of videos of things to do around Miami and different states, go ahead and like, comment, most importantly subscribe, and stay magical, you guys.